All right, so this is my current setup. If you've seen my videos about them, I haven't really done an updated video of it. It's an amazing setup. However, it's not a lot of convenience to me because I have a very small room and not a lot of walking space, especially for my videos. It's kind of cramped. So that's the main reason why I'm going to be doing this setup video. So it would be nice to have it in a small area. All right, so let's get into the mini slips first. All right, so this is, okay, so I found this recently. It's a 8-in-1 USB hub with a SD card slot, which is insanely good for me, obviously, because I'm a content creator. It's gonna be a lot more spacious and it has more USB ports than one I currently have, which is amazing. So let's just get straight into this. Wow, so this one's an aluminum design. Very, very nice quality. I'm actually really surprised. Buttons all the way right here. LEDs, they're 3.0 ports. It has a 2 terabyte support for SD card, which is really cool. You have Mac support as well. And then right here on the back, you have 3.0 port as well as a power port for more power consumption, I guess you could say. The rest of the box in here, you also have got a AC adapter, like a USB type C to whatever this thing is. I don't know what that's called. Another one of those weird type of things with a USB 3.0 port. And then a quick start guide. Let's get into the next item. My HDMI cable. Yep. Yeah, 2-pack braided 8K HDMI cables. So this is gonna be obviously for my capture card and just one for spare use. Yeah, nothing fancy about that. I won't really, wow. Individually wrapped and airtight sealed. Pretty nice. These retail for about 15 bucks. For braided 8K cables, that's really well priced. So this is what it looks like. Pretty high quality. Wow, they're gold plated too. I'm very impressed. And then, like I said, I'll just keep the other one for spare use. All right, so next we have, that was my address, oops. Wow, tiny little box. Oh, okay, this is my headphone hanger. So I built my subscriber a gaming setup and I put one of these headphone hangers in. I actually really liked it. It lasts a long time and it's very minimal, which I want to go with this setup a little bit more minimal than what I have now. I mean, what I have now is pretty minimal, but I want to go even more minimal, if that makes sense. Especially with cable management. With cable management this time, I want to make it flawless. Here's the headphone hanger. Very nice build quality. I think that's an extra adhesive pad, but really nice build quality. Like I said, I got this for my subscriber at one point. He likes it a lot. Let's see what else we got. Okay, so this is my, yeah, monitor mount extra tall. So I'll get into this one as well. I got 2 brands from Vivo. The desk mount itself. This is very well built. I have one of these already, so I trust this brand for sure for monitor mounts. It even has cable management, which is helpful. Oh, okay, so we got some screws here. I have no idea what this is, but it's some sort of attachment. Oops, I didn't know that was opened. So we have 2 large poles. This is very heavy for poles. But very good build quality. I'm very, very happy on that. Oh, we have one more envelope. Let me get into this. A small little package. So this is, okay, this is a product review. So this is a Xbox LED mod fan kit. So you're gonna be able to have RGBIC function within your LED fan. Let's see what this big box is. It looks intimidating, but it's very, very light. That's my address again. Oh my gosh. I got all of this like 2 days ago and it was supposed to arrive next week, but it arrived early since Amazon's just that amazing. Wow, would you look at that? We got air for literally just so much bubble wrap. This big old box. So much plastic. So this is a ray trace channel. I got these before, this is a different brand. But this comes with a lot more accessories to be able to use cable management, which is cool. Once again, I want to do a really good job at cable management this time. So yeah, we got that. And then right here, we have our cable clips. Are able to fit a lot more cables and have better adhesive. So we didn't cheap out on that this time since last time we did. So this is the channel here. Pretty nice box. Oh, so we got adhesive here. What else we got? Oh, these little cable management holders, I guess you could say. These are gonna be really helpful. I never tried these out before. And then we have 4 raceways and 5 cable ties. These are Velcro cable ties, which are gonna be also very helpful. I also did get Velcro double adhesive, I think a pack of 12. So we're gonna be mounting like the power supply, the USB hub, and some other stuff with those. I highly recommend using Velcro double adhesive instead of regular adhesive because you can move stuff. They're modular. You don't really have to worry about the adhesive because they're really strong. Pretty simple. I don't think they have adhesive pre-applied. Yeah, they don't. Wait, and then I'm gonna open this real quick. I think this is a pack of 50. It's laid out like a little chocolate bar. It's super nice. So you can unclip it like that, and then you can feed your cables. Thankfully, I was smart enough to have some garbage bags so I can clean up this mess. Wish me luck. Bro, there's so many. So many. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start with this section. So we're gonna get rid of everything in this area, cable management and all that, and then we'll add the electric desk, which you won't see in this video, you'll see in the next video, and then we'll move that desk here.
I'm interested in making ends opposed to making friends. Double bangs, I've been paranoid, having the safest sex. I'll take the check. Finishing his drink should only take a sec. But Mark just cut me off, he told me that I go on stage and tan. Walk out to my own shit on the main event. Vinci my cologne after the show, she told me that shit was a favorite sin. Sprint event is spacious, we could take your friends. What happened next, you could take a guess. Beat the up, then I beat the eyes too. Got a lot to prove, L Woods with the law school. I am not a wave, I'm a monsoon. Send her on the way after she blow me like some hot soup. She break a bank just to get the right picture and it looks great. Ooh, I love this shit, I swear to God, it's hard to look away. Prove to me you got it, girl, I gotta see how that pudding tastes. Got me in the comments saying shit, probably shouldn't say. I like girls who earn a bunch. Cook me up some lunch and cook my book, she work for Ernst & Young. And even if she is the perfect one, I couldn't find emotional connections on worth the time. I'm somewhere secluded where the surface up, beaching and I'm tired getting Turkish love. Server pulling up umbrella, drink, I had to purchase one. I'm not at the beach, this is a bathtub. Look, shit bang, going my way for a hot sec. They want me to cool off, nigga, not yet. I'm a 10 and change, I gotta set it straight. I had to drop a couple Williams on the tennis chain. Had to make the image levitate to keep them entertained. I might shoot my shot at LMA. Oh, y'all thought this was a joke. I did not follow directions, bitch. I made it.
Alright, so I just got this product review sent in today by Mount Studs. This is the Xbox Series X desk/wall mount. I'm going to be using this. I'm going to mount it underneath right here. And then I'm also going to mount the capture card here. I'm going to mount some new LED strips. We're going to be using the Govee RGB ones like always, since those are the best. We're going to install the Extreme Rate RGB Mod fan for the Xbox Series X as well. All right, there we go. It's all mounted. Get the rest of the power and stuff like that in here. I just want to show you the LED mods I have on here. So as you can see, we have that green one right there. 2 green LEDs. We could change them obviously, but for right now they're gonna stay on green, but that looks so sick. I'll also be using this Giant USB hub on the back so I can use more peripherals and other things with this. We got a Velcro on the back of the capture card. We're gonna go ahead and place this somewhere where the USB 3.0 port can actually reach on the side of the Xbox, so it's easily accessible. Seems good. So the capture card's on the back of the console, and then now we just have to do cable management for the HDMI and stuff like that. On the top here, I do my video editing as well as my streaming occasionally with my Mac Mini, and on the bottom, I have my Xbox Series X with the 200 Hertz refresh rate monitor right here by Scepter, 30 inch. that's where I'll be doing all my gaming. I was gonna get a monitor mount, but I do need a separate adapter for this specific monitor. So I'm not too sure if I'll be able to get that in time. So I'm just gonna keep it like this for now. If you wanna see occasional upgrades, I will be doing that. I want to put either a neon sign or hexagon panels right here, just because it seems a little plain right there. And then I got this today, Happy Thanksgiving from Luminosity. So I was like, maybe I should put neon signs there or the hexagon panels. So thank you, Luminosity, for being very generous and very caring for all your supporters. I do have that game controller there. I could move it if I wanted to, but I do have multiple neon signs in here as well. I got a planet and an alien here. Both are the same colorway. So I guess I'll go ahead and try both of these. I do have some extra USB ports so I can try them all. As you can see, so I have a candle right here, Cinnamon Wraith. This smells amazing. Very chill vibes when you're editing or doing anything like that. Very amazing. Creative Pebble speakers. These are the 2.0. Very amazing sound. Modded controller. Symbol Monkey controller holder. Modded Series X controller with LED mods, obviously. So you can change the color and do all that other stuff. Highly recommend this. And then a custom shell right there. Same brand, Extreme Rate RGB fan mod, as well as the bottom right here is an LED mod for the Xbox Series X as well. This thing right here. So this, I have an SD card reader right here with the USB port, which I showed you. This is amazing. It does work. It's really, really helpful. To the side of my Xbox, I do have a battery placement holder. This is the Bebin Cool, my choice of Xbox batteries. So I could just place them right there and let them charge, which is cool. So this is what it looks like underneath my desk. But right here, we have my capture card. Very clean. So I have one J channel right here, one J channel right there, another channel right here. So I have a ton of those. The power supply, I have my speaker, LED strip, echo device, air purifier, USB hub, Xbox, and monitor. And then right here we have a headphone hanger, access to my LED strips here. Very nice. I can change color. This does have music mode. I have the microphone facing this way, which is where the speakers are. And I also do have a infrared right there. The Amazon device has fell a few times, so I'm not too sure if the adhesive is good enough. I will have to change it eventually. I do have, like I said, 4 different USB ports, so I can put 2 neon signs right here if I wanted to, or different things, charge multiple different devices here, specifically only for charging, so I can use that as well. For my first Xbox mount, this is amazing. I don't remember the price on it, but thanks to the company for sending that out, as well as anything else that you see here that the company sent out, as well as my microphone right here, which I will be getting another microphone right now, and I will unbox it and test it out. Alright, so we're doing a little video test with the Fifine microphone. As you can see, this is how traditionally my streams would be. Obviously, the microphone won't be right here. It'll be lower and hidden, but generally, this is how it would look like and sound. This will be replacing my Blue Yeti for a while until I see how good the microphone is long run. Thank you, Fifine, for actually sending this microphone out for me to review. It sounds amazing. This is my first microphone from this company, and I'm already loving it. Take a seat. Double kill, let's go. It's up close, so if I were to be talking directly into the microphone, this is how it would sound. Wow, spawn trapping right off the bat. I'm trying to make a video here. Bot. Take a seat. So right here we have our wireless Snow Fox keyboard with some crystal keycaps. I've done a review of those future. We have a gray mousepad. Eventually I'm gonna get an extended mousepad that like fits this whole desk, or at least most of it, with like custom stuff. But I have to find a really good one out there. If you guys know any good brands or anything for custom mousepad like that, please tell me, because I really want to decorate them with. Right here we do have a succulent. I also do have my Pebble speakers right there. Right here I have my cup holder. Obviously I put it on the right side since I am right-handed and easier to grab it right there. So it's really cool there. I have the same GT Racing chair. I was gonna get a different one, but I couldn't find a sponsor in enough time. It does have some lumbar support, and it also does have a little kickstand for your feet. So it extends out. You can go and lay down on it and do that. You can obviously put the back part pretty far down. I'll show you. It does have Bluetooth speakers on it as well, right here. It's kind of a gimmick though. Doesn't really sound that good, But I mean, the chair, it's really good for relaxing. I can move that basically like right on the side of my bed and use the kickstand there and then just watch TV. It's really, really comfortable. By the time we're watching this, you'll be able to see this video, which was a pretty long process. I'll just do a little sneak peek of that. You'll see that in the future video. But yeah, this is an amazing setup so far. I'm really liking it. If you guys do want to watch more content just like this, make sure you subscribe. If you see my previous videos, I had like no room here, and I'm now able to walk in my room a lot better. It's just a way better setup. I really like it a lot. Also, I'll try to be doing Vlogmas. I do have this advent calendar since I do like The Office. I'm going to be doing like one every day. I'm going to try to open up each one in each vlog, or vlog video, I should say. But I'm going to try to post every single day until Christmas. So subscribe for more if you want to see that. I'll be trying to post really high quality content every single day because I have a ton of videos that I'm planning. Thank you guys for watching. See